All right, so today we have some ground pork to feed the chicken. This is a homegrown backyard kind of thing chicken. First of all, I'm gonna feed them some meat, ground pork, and then after that, we'll give them some pasta for their this is for growth. The meat is for growth. This is for their stamina, for their strength. Okay, so we're gonna go to feed the smaller chicken first, and then when they're done with their filling, then we're gonna move this big pot of meat over to the bigger chickens. All right. So this much worth about $3, and that will be good for a couple of days. All right, so that there, and then I'm gonna get out the spaghetti, cut them into small pieces. It's easier for them to swallow. This is in addition to the traditional chicken feed that you can buy it off the store. I think those food are good, but they grow so slowly because they don't have enough protein, and who knows what they put in there, right? So with this, I know for sure when I consume my chicken, I know there's all been good fat. All right, so that will be good for the chopping. Now we're gonna go and feed them. See how they know that I'm here? So they're all coming out waiting for good stuff. But first we have to feed the little guy first. about a week ago, I fed them this and they ignore it completely because they're not used to meat yet. But today is a completely different story. So this proved to me that chickens are like bird of prey. They are predator. They eat meat. So later on, when you see that I put this pot inside the bigger chicken's coop, they're gonna finish in about 15 seconds. They're gonna be all gone very quickly. These chickens are about 14 days, and the chickens in the other coop are like a month and a half. I believe with this much protein, they're gonna grow faster, but without some bad hormone that they put inside the regular traditional chicken feed that you could buy from the store. What is that?
It's stuck in there.
Oh, that's a chicken that got stuck in there? Oh my goodness. I didn't see that. There. Okay, I think they are full, so I'm gonna go and retrieve it for the other. Yeah. All right, now we can watch this. It's gonna be gone in no time. Go. See? It's all gone.